Today's video, I am cleaning out my refrigerator and my freezer, and I am going to talk about my word for 2024. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is the first Thursday of the month, so that means it is time for a Thoughtful Thursday. Thoughtful Thursdays are the brainchild and hosted by my dear friend Joy. Her channel name is Organized with Joy. I'm going to link her channel along with a playlist in my description box below, and I would love for you to check it out. So I removed everything off camera from my refrigerator, and I am cleaning everything down very well, and I just want to give my refrigerator a good refresh and a good clean, and I'm just going to put on some music and then I'm going to hop back on and talk about my word for the year.
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. In the heavens, a billion signals move, call and answer, dozen pairs of two by two. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. Midnight halos twist that together, turn it on. slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence.
So today I want to talk to you about the words that I decided would be my word, my focus word for the year 2024. Each year I decide on a word that I want to focus on for that year. In 2022, my word was fearless or fearless, and in the year 2023, my word was simplify, and I just work on that word throughout the year, and I have it written down where I can see it, and I'm still continuing to work on fearing less, and I'm also continuing to work on simplifying my life. However, I decided for this year that my word would be the word comeback. And when I was thinking about a word, the word comeback just kept coming to mind, and I was like, there's nothing sophisticated about the word comeback. But when I looked at the definition of the word comeback means to come back from a failure. And because I actually had a literal failure and my heart failed, I felt like the word comeback was the perfect word for me, because I want this year to be the year that I come back from my heart failing, the year that I become a better version of the person that I was before my heart was attacked by the virus. I want to take the knowledge that I gained from having the experience, and I just want to be just a better version of that person that I was before. And so that is what I am focusing on this year. I've not talked about this on my channel, but this fall I started going to something called EMDR therapy, and it is for basically, it desensitizes you to traumatic events, and that is helping so much. And I just want to do all that I can for myself to just help me get back to where I was before. I feel like that event took so much from me, and I've worked so hard to get to where I am today, but I want this to be the year that I finally come back, that I come full circle, that I take what happened to me and I use that and I accept it, and I love the new version of myself, because I did change so much from the events that I had, and I just want that to be reflected in the life that I live every day. So this is my year of comeback, and I just wanted to share that with you. I myself found a long time ago that I am not successful with New Year's resolutions. It's always so easy in December to say, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that and I'm going to do this on January 1st. And then, a few days you're doing it and then you kind of slip up, and then it's like, okay, I'll do this and, tomorrow, and just, it just becomes something that you put off, and it just kind of, for me, sets me up for failure. So that is why I choose a word that I choose to focus on, and I wanted to share that word because I hope that you guys hold me accountable. And if you have a word or a resolution, I would love for you guys to share that in the comments as well, because I love hearing about all of that stuff. As I say that, I do want to say that I am so far behind with my comments. I am working diligently to get caught back up. Vlogmas and comments got me so far behind, but I do love hearing from each and every one of you. I just need to make the time to comment back, which I am working on this new year as well. That's part of my comeback. So I would love to hear about your resolution if you do a resolution, or if you do a word, I would love to hear about your word. I also am interested to know, do you do a vision board? I love to do a vision board. You do not even have to do it at the beginning of the year. You can do a vision board anytime you want, but I just would be interested to know if you do vision boards and what you think about those.
Yesterday there was
New to my channel, I'm going to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support and for watching this video in its entirety.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
As I finish cleaning out my freezer, I'm just going to put on some more music. And again, thank you so much for watching. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go. Na